Hey everybody, welcome back to Wrenching with me, Grandpa. It's Sunday evening, I think the 7th, and it's like really freaking cold. The weather throughout most of the U.S. is just, well, it's winter. What are you going to expect? Uh, I really don't have a whole lot this evening to present to you folks. Um, let's see if we can get her to fire off, and then after that, I'll just give you a brief overview of what I haven't gotten done. Okay? Bear with me. Well, I think we pretty well got the carburation system dialed in. She sounds great. That's a cold start. It's like 40 degrees out here tonight. So, I really don't have a lot on the board for you all tonight. Just want to say thank you and let you know that we're continuing the ongoing projects of suspension. And I'll show you this. This is our torsion bar that we are rehabbing and getting ready to put back in the car. This has been like, good Lord. But I gotta say, if you got the right tools to do the job, then you know, you're good to go. And I'm very fortunate that I acquired through my Secret Santa this Mancini Racing torsion bar extraction tool, and it was great. I don't know, maybe I'll get in the business of renting it out. I don't know. But got a lot to do. Hope for some success in getting more things accomplished. Spring's coming, and I hope this girl will be ready, that we can put her back on the road for some local shows and maybe Power Tour in June. If you're not subscribed, please consider like, share, comments. Guys, we're just under 700 subscribers. I don't get anything from YouTube unless I'm like way over 1,000 subscribers, and that's not the point. Yeah, it'd be nice to get a check to help pay for, you know, beer and electrical connections, but that's not the point. If you're a part of the Mopar Restoration family, I'm asking you, please sign up. You don't have to worry. I'm not going to try to sell you t-shirts and hats, but I would really appreciate your support. So let's all hope that 2024 brings us all some good times. God love you. See you soon. Bye-bye.